Hey guys, welcome back. Another sporadic episode. Today we're going to talk about the best intake that you can get for your Miata. I've been waiting a long time for somebody to make a nice one of these that's available to the public. If you don't know what this is the Alec Moody over the radiator style intake. The file is free. You can print it yourself. Or in this case, the guy that I buy them from, he's modified the design a fair bit. And now he sells them out of, this is carbon fiber 3D printed nylon, like carbon fiber reinforced. It'll handle the heat of the radiator and the engine bay. And the best part about this intake is that it pops in to this hole that's in the front of your NA Miata. NA's only, sadly, but ducts in cold air from, obviously this is a different bumper, but from the mouth where your radiator gets the air from. And then what I supply is a plug and play pipe unit. It's gonna be kind of hard one-handed. That connects the two, and now you have what I'm going to call the ultimate cold air intake setup. I do supply, there's a 3/8 NPT bung for your GM style intake air temp sensor, and this one doesn't have it because this is just a mock-up test piece, but it will have the port for the valve cover vent and a port for idle air control, which is why I have this idle air control on here, so I can build that out tomorrow. I'm so stoked to have these. I bought an unbelievable number of these from the supplier, but I will also put the link to the Thingiverse files so that you can print them yourselves if you want to. And if you do that, I offer essentially from the coupler back and the filter down below. And I'll put the camera in there to show you how the filter mounts up. This is huge. I know people have been looking for this forever, so I'm excited to offer it. It's on my website right now. And if you order from today is Saturday when this video goes live through to Monday, November 29th, which is 2 days from now, it is at a discounted pre-order price. And then after Monday, the price will go back up to $400 for the whole kit. For the air filter, the kit comes with this K&N RU1460. It's a 2.75 inch inlet because this is modified from the standard 2.5 to 2.75 to be a little stronger. If you print your own, it'll be 2.5. So just let me know if you order just the pipe that you have your own 2.5 style, and I'll get you the right filter. But what's cool, I don't know if you can see that very well, is there's a slant on the top. So I'll show this installed, but you can clock this around for all the clearance you need kind of in here. So the filter clips on, there's tons of space around it, and this is clocked in the back position, so it's pointing towards the radiator. There's probably 4 inches, 3 inches between the radiator and that. It's kind of hard to show, but you can see there's tons of room. So if you have an AC condenser, it'll fit. And if you need a little more space, you just take the filter and rotate it and it'll point, so it's 10 degrees. It'll go 10 degrees the other way. Or you can do left to right and it's essentially 0 degrees. So along with the kit, you'll get T-bolt clamps. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5th one that is 2.75 inch for the filter. This is what they look like. Way better than T-bolt style clamps. They don't cut into the silicone or anything like that, and you can kind of clock them upside down, so they look really nice. But yeah, so whole kit comes plug and play. There is a builder sort of on the site, so if you need just the valve cover bung, or just the idle air control bung, or just the 3/8 NPT bung, you can just make those selections. They will all be powder coated. Sand black, so it'll actually kind of match this filter. Here's an example of something that's sand black, so it will match all of that. So figured I would make this short video just to show you guys kind of what I'm working on. My garage is a disaster right now. I've got four more intakes there that I just finished. There's 2 more there. There's some Rotrex parts over there. There's an engine I'm building. Yeah, I'm busy, which is a good thing. I haven't even touched the bike. I'm gonna literally order parts tonight for it. but I've been waiting so long for this to be something that I can offer. So I figured I'd make the video, post it up. It's 10 o'clock at night, so I'm gonna edit this real quick after this and ship some parts. So hopefully you see this at 9 a.m. tomorrow. And yeah, also worth noting, I do have Black Friday sales going on through Monday, like to the end of Monday. You guys like cleared me out of my inventory, but I have more on the way. So go ahead and order it and I will ship it the minute I have it built and ready to go. You can always reach out to me and I'll tell you kind of what I'm expecting for lead time. For braces, it's hopefully like 2 weeks max. They should be shipping out on Monday. That is all. In the spring, I will be hopefully doing some intake air temperature testing with one of these. Not on this car, but on Cam's street car. We'll be trying some stuff out. And I'll be able to get you some values. I know people have been asking, like, how good is it? Is it better than like the U-turn intake that I also sell, which I won't sell anymore because of this? But yeah, I will get you those answers. And as far as fitment goes, right now, in this immediate moment, I'm only selling them for Miatas 1.8s with standalone ECUs, so that you can run the intake air temp sensor. If you have a MAF or an AFM, I don't have an answer for you at the moment. I'm working on something for the MAF in the near future, I promise. And 1.6 guys with standalones, if there is enough interest, just message me and I will literally go use my mom's car as a template. I don't think it's gonna be much harder. I just wanna make sure that there's enough of you that need it before I spend a bunch of time trying to figure it out. So with that being said, I've rambled on for way too long now. I'm just excited, so hit me up if you want one. You can either message me and I'll send you the link. The link is down below to both my intake and the 3D printing file if you want to print your own intake and save some money. I know a lot of people are like, I don't have that capability myself, so it's nice to have an option. And then, yeah, hit me up if you have any questions. More than happy to respond. You guys have killed it with the Black Friday deals this week, and I am so thankful for all of you, so check it out. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time.